All right, let's hear from you, Ifani. Your
Okay,
reaction on
thank
some of the issues we've discussed.
Okay, so I want to react on that our the Oga who is there and saying that the government is not reacting. The issue now and the point is that is Buhari and APC government really want to stop terrorism in Nigeria? That should be the question. They are not ready. It's not that they don't know what to do. If you can recall, when before Buhari got into power before 2014, he said that when you kill Boko Haram, you kill the North. Okay, you should also go and check out after this Boko Haram have already killed so many people in Nigeria, billions, thousands of Nigeria. Buhari go and sow Abada and give them the rough rice and give them chicken and send some of them abroad. So this man and APC government and even some of the PD people who are backing these people, they are not ready. Some of them are seeing it as a business, as a cruise. They are not ready to stop this terrorism, and many of them are not even seeing it as terrorism. That is the point. Even Mr. President Buhari, with all due respect, Buhari is not seeing these people as a terrorist. He is seeing them, they are working on behalf of whatever thing he may wish or he may believe. Let us say the fact. And another thing is that there is something why I even called, I also want to complain that Buhari purposely and APC, they purposely try punishing Nigerians on no just cause. So can you recall that one of my brother go to Ghana, UBA versus UBA, you cannot withdraw money from his account. They told him as far as he's in Nigeria, he's bound to withdraw money from his account. But that every other country is working. But apart from Nigeria, when you want to do online transaction, they must require you to go and buy dollar from a bookie. Just check how this is one of those reasons these people are just punishing Nigeria on no just cause. So if we are talking about insecurity here, and I also saw the Senate, the people, the majority Senate, they are saying they want to impeach Buhari. Okay, yes, they said it very, very late. Okay, the point is that all these things are they really serious talk, or is it because of election is coming in 2023? And I want to appeal Nigerians, please let us our brothers who are back home and those who are ready to go and vote in 2023. Please let us try to vote P2B. And also I'm appealing to P2B, if we do him this favor and get him there, let him do the right thing and use Wike as Minister of Defense so that he can flush out this terrorism we are facing in Nigeria today. Because I know that if him is Minister of Defense, anybody who want to bribe him, you will hear it in national TV that so person is doing this kind of. He will even be the one to get the person arrested to deal with that person. This is what we want, and I know that he's going to be plus to Nigeria. If somebody like P2B become the president of Nigeria, Wike become the Minister of Defense in Nigeria, we will have plus two. Things will work out for us. Please, Nigeria should know that APC, Buhari, and Atiku Abubakar, these people, they don't mean well to Nigeria. Look at what I interviewed Abubakar. This man, Atiku Abubakar Grant, he said that 90% of the Northern does not have don't have access to internet. Is he what he can a man of like that? He's one of those people who eat the future of those people. Let the people should hold this kind of men accountable, because these people are purely demons. They don't want Nigeria. Look at everywhere Nigeria is we are going now. They are seeing you like a nobody because of this kind of people. They don't only what they want to answer is Mr. President. So I'm appealing to Nigeria.
Right.
Please vote P2B in 2023, and Wike should be our Minister of Defense so that we can able to flush out this terrorism in the country. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you very much, Ifani, joining us from Indonesia. We appreciate you.